Unlock the power of precision marketing by mastering List Stacking in Batchleads, your ultimate tool for turning scattered leads into goldmines. First things first, navigate to the List section within your Batchleads account. This is where the magic of organization begins. To start, click on Create New List. Give your new list a descriptive name that reflects the specific criteria you'll be using. For example, you might name it Absentee Owners High Equity or Expired Listings 3 months. Now, let's dive into the filtering process here. Batchleads offers a powerful array of attributes to refine your search. Think about the characteristics of your ideal lead. Are you looking for vacant properties, leads with a certain equity percentage, or perhaps a specific owner occupancy status? The key to successful list stacking is combining multiple filters. Let's say we want to target absentee owners with over 75% equity. We'll select Absentee Owner from the ownership filters. Then add the equity percentage filter and set it to greater than 75%. As you apply these filters, Batchleads will dynamically update the lead count, showing you exactly how many records meet your combined criteria. Once you're satisfied with your selection, hit Save List. Your precisely filtered list is now ready. This process of list stacking allows you to isolate segments of your leads based on shared attributes instead of casting a wide, ineffective net. You can now craft highly targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with specific needs and situations, leading to stronger engagement and ultimately more profitable deals. Mastering list stacking in Batchleads transforms your lead management from a chore into a strategic advantage. Start organizing, start targeting, and watch your marketing results soar.